Uh, my name is Thiago, student number 1427043. The objective of this video is to show the creation of a trunk connection between two PBX servers. So the server is going to be able to communicate between themselves and the respective extension numbers created on them. So first step is to download the Freepbx distribution, right? Just go to freepbx.org and download the ISO. So to handle the ISO, you need a software. I'm using VirtualBox to manage it. You can install the virtual machine here. It's pretty straightforward, I won't show on this video, but it's quite easy. So you're gonna need two FreePBX servers, right? And the clients, right? So once you finish the installation, this screen is gonna appear, right? It's based on Linux, so the login is gonna be root, and the password you can set up on the installation, right? We need this step to be able to see what IP addresses the server got. So in this case it's 10.0.0.119. If it doesn't appear this screen, you just type ifconfig. So it's gonna be here. Right? So we need the IP address to be able to use the graphic interface. So just go to a web browser, type the IP address of it. Very straightforward. Right. On the first time you access the graphic interface, is gonna ask you to register a user and register the software here. It's quite simple to do it. So first thing we have to see is the IP address, right? Go to systemadmin, go to DNS. We're gonna make sure the local host is here as well, right? Network settings. Make sure it's on static IP, not on DHCP as well, right? You can configure a host name as well to be a bit more friendly to the endpoint, right? Once you finish this, just apply the settings and that's it, right? Second step is to create the extensions, right? I already have one extension created here. I'll just create a new one just to demonstrate. Right, using extension 2001. Screen name will be the same. Right. We need user the password. I'm going to put a simple password just to demonstrate. Submit. That's it. Always be aware of this. Apply config. If you don't click on it, it's not gonna help. Right? Right. Once it's done, the configuration is pretty much done. Between these. So to be able to use the extensions, you need a software. I'm using Zoiper at the moment. I already put the extension number here, 3000, and the password. So just click on login. The server. Next. Skip. So already found the PBX server here. Just click in next. And there it is. Right? So at the moment, the other server is configured with a different extension, right? I already did some. The configuration will be exactly the same on the other server, Just to show you extensions, I have two extensions here, 2002 and 2003. So I configure on my own phone here, Zoipa, just to demonstrate. I have the other extension here on my laptop. Just gonna call it just to demonstrate it's working. So 2002. Pretty simple, you can make phone calls here. But at the moment I won't be able to connect to this server here, 3000, right? Let's go back. 3000 is in a different server, as you can see here. To be able to do it, you have to create the turn connection. Just demonstrate here. So 2000. Nothing happens. Right? So what we have to do is go to connectivity and then trunks. Right, gonna add a trunk. First option here, trunk name, trunk to 92. I'm gonna put the same here about color ID. Right. Other thing here, I'm gonna put the extension number from the other ones here to match here. Right. SIP server. I'm gonna put the IP address of this one. Yep. Straightforward, easy. So submit. Never forget the apply here. And reload. After creating the trunk connection, you just go to outbound routes, add route name, route 292, same here. I avoid putting passwords, so it's not gonna ask for it. So here, trunk 292, the trunk that you just created, right? Dial patterns, yes, 2xx, right? And that's pretty much it. Let's see if that works. Apply config. Right, let's see if it works now. 2000. Actually, it's 2002 here. There we go. Trunking. Right? Thanks for your attention. That's it.